Izumi is another decentralized exchange that allows you to swap various assets on Hemi. Here we'll demonstrate that with a VUSD swap. Make sure you're logged into the right network and have your wallet set up here. And when you click down there, it'll fetch the price for you. And then hit swap. And confirm. And it doesn't take too long for the swap to go through. But while you're waiting, you can check it out on the Block Explorer to see the transaction details. And the swap is successful. You can go ahead and confirm that on the Block Explorer, seeing it was a success. And you can continue swapping as you like. That concludes this tutorial.